Hey guys, it's Paula Nutting, your musculoskeletal specialist, and we're on day 2 at the Chapman's Reflexes course down in Sydney, down in 5 Dock at the RSL, or the RSL, as we say here in from Brisbane anyway. Anyway, having a great time. Jade's with me because we've been discussing how she's been feeling, because quite often she's a real floppy because of the hypermobility and quite unstable. So can you give us a bit of a rundown how you're feeling today?
Well, we did half the thing yesterday. I'm waiting for the rest of the body to be switched on and woken up, which is awesome. I was just saying that I feel like I'm wearing a full exoskeleton and everything's actually really stable and being held in place. And usually the only time that I feel this stable, because my ankles, knees, shoulders, wrists, 𝙤𝙨, everything just flops all over the place. Usually I have to tape up pretty intensely with like physio tape, kinesiology tape and everything in order to feel like that. And it feels like I have a full exoskeleton of tape when I do that.
Yeah.
So if I'm going to do any sports or anything like that, I'll tape up first. I'm just walking around today and everything is staying in place and it feels as solid as when I'm all taped up and there's not a lick of tape on me.
That's very cool. The second thing that was even more interesting is that in the morning, quite often we have these 𝙤𝙤 𝙤𝙤 symptoms with neural stuff, pins and needles, tingling, numbness down these legs. And this morning, after half a day of work that we did, which was diaphragm, psoas, glutes, lateral glutes, functional back line, a lot of Tom Myers trains. No pain?
Yeah, well, usually my legs and my feet go a little bit numb and I kind of have to lean against the wall in the first few minutes when I'm awake, when I'm walking. And I need to wait until my legs and my feet wake up, and they didn't go to sleep and I didn't have to lean on the walls, and
that's awesome. Yeah. So we've got easy take home stuff. We're going to keep going with the course. I'm going to let Cookie must have another cookie.
Thank you.
And I'll see you guys later. Paula Nutting, over and out.